Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now, I am going to show you how to add products on this Qikink. So here guys, you need to do here is to first log into your Qikink seller account. And on your dashboard guys, you'll be able to see your different options at the top corner. So here, so you'll be able to see the products option there. And then click that one. You just need to tap on that one and then look for the add new products. So of course, log into your account here. And the next one is here on this. And then there you can select the product type you want, like t-shirts or mugs. Then you can upload your design or even customize it using the Qikink's design tool. You can add a product name, description, pricing to make it ready for sale. And then finally, guys, you need to save or publish your product, and it is now ready to add to your store or sell on Qikink. And that's how you add products on Qikink, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.